To simulate credit scores on Credit Karma, start by visiting the Credit Karma website and logging into your account. From there, navigate to the Resources section and select the Credit Score Simulator. This tool allows you to explore how different factors can impact your credit score. You will be prompted to choose a credit factor to simulate, such as getting a new loan, transferring balances to a new credit card, or opening a new credit card. Other options include closing your oldest credit card, increasing or decreasing your credit card balance, increasing your credit limit, or experiencing negative events like foreclosure, wage garnishment, or accounts being sent to collections. Once you've selected a factor, you'll be asked to enter additional information before Credit Karma reveals the potential effect on your credit score. By using the Credit Score Simulator, you can gain valuable insights to inform your financial decisions. Follow these steps to make the most of this tool and take control of your credit score.